ko yung definition ng success, pero at age of 30, I lost everything. We lost everything. We lost almost 10 million with some business partners. And nag-incur ako, kami ng wife ko, ng additional 2.5 million debt. So medyo malaki yun para sa amin. And ang nangyari, noong December 2010, in front of 300 people, a crowd like this, I had a talk, and I raised my last credit card. Sabi ko sa kanila, meron kaming 8, all with debt. Nabayaran namin isa-isa until only one remained. And I got a pair of scissors, and I told everyone, this is what you call plastic surgery. Tapos kinupit ko yung card, sumigaw ako, freedom! And people gave me blank stares, the way you're giving me now. And I told them, I don't care if you think I'm corny, but I'm a big fan of Braveheart. Sigaw ko ulit, freedom! Ngayon, most of them are excited. Kasi I found out, 95% of them are also in debt. Okay, curious lang ako, alam ko mga top performers tayo pero kaya nga kailangan marunong tayo mag-manage din ng ating pera. Sino ba dito, meron kayong utang? Can you raise hand? Liars go to hell? Ayun, nagtaas din nasa likod. Sino sa inyo, you are hoping and praying na mawala yung mga utang nyo? Lahat ba tayo? Good. Sino naman sa inyo are hoping and praying na mawala yung pinagkakautangan nyo? Ayun, nasa kamay nyo. Baka masaktan kayo katabi nyo pala, no? Leadership is really about being inspired and inspiring others. Bago tayo magsimula, alam ko, May na ngayon, pero para medyo masaya, pwede bang paki-semi-hug lang yung mga katabi nyo? Semi-hug. Okay, tapos sabihin mo sa kanya, happy, great, New Year ahead. Tapos sabay-sabay tayo, cheese! Okay, thank you very much for that group picture. Maraming salamat. Ang ganda po ng angle niya dito, ha? Labas na labas ang dimples, ha? Napaka-cute! Parang natatandaan ko itong guy. Mali po yung mindset niya about God. Matagal na rin sa church to. Tagal na. Tapos, one time, parang nawalan siya ng gana, nagkaroon ng personal issue. He's a hunter. Okay? So, dala niya yung shotgun niya. One day, nasa wilderness siya. Dala niya yung shotgun niya. Biglang out of nowhere from the bushes, may lumabas. Isang big brown bear. Sabi ng bear, sabi ng bear, tinatakot ko yung hunter, takbo siya, nabitawan niya yung shotgun niya. He was running for his life. Pagliban niya ng bear, nakatingin yung bear, pahabol ka, sabi ng bear ng gano'n. Takbo pa din siya. Pagtakbo niya, he reached the edge of a cliff, wala na siya papuntahan. Yung tagal-tagal niya nang dinagdadasal, sabi niya, Lord, gawin mo maka-Diyos yung bear. Ginawa ng bear, biglang tumigil yung bear. Lumuhod ngayon yung bear. Tapos nagdasal. Sabi ng bear, Heavenly Father, thank you for the food that I'm about to eat. Disgrasya pa din,